fit like Granny.
I'm just grand.
I'm a bit confused about my dancing.
Your mother was telling me you're just nae sure whether to start dancing or wait till you're older.
I dinna ken fit to do.
Weel, McQuine, let me and my pals frae Monymusk tell you a wee story about family we were at the squeal. Tak my hand, new had on ticked and dinna let go.
Dinna put off those minties in life that you ken will make a booty smile. Grab hold of those chances, 'cause you never ken if that chance will be there for a while.
So let's tell you about our grand wee school and fit we did one day. We agreed we had a job to do. We have to do it, we'd say.
The story starts with our Heidi, that tells us about her dad. He can't ever leave his house, and that made us awfu' sad.
But he loved to hear the stories of us parents and fit we do. For singing and dancing especially, were fit he'd love to see.
We thought of a plan and wondered if we could make his dreams come true.
A secret plan we had to come up with, and he wouldn't hear a clue.
Now we'd entered a competition to sing in Aberdeen at Glee, but that's now all we did that day, as you're about to see.
We headed off on the bus to travel into. We were going to carry out a big surprise, and we may let anybody do.
We tiptoed into the garden. We were as quiet as a mouse. Then Mrs. Moya shut the curtains in her daddy's little house.
Surprise! We shouted from the curtains open. We're here to sing to you. Just watching a sidle smile on his face, and you wouldn't hear a clue.
We sang our songs and danced about, and the neighbours came to roll.
The best thing Aberdeen's ever seen. There's really no match. Operation Rainbow Surprise had been half of fun.
The happiness we brought that day really was second to none.
A bit of the prize we hid for a job well done. We made a lot of folks smile that day.
And the memories we create will never fade away. It made us awfu' proud to see fit as Bairns did for our Heidi's dad. It made his day, his week, his year, and that makes us awfu' glad.
A special treat then waited for us. We burgers, juice and fries. We stamped it down, then looked out the window. We couldn't believe our eyes.
Up in the sky in front of us shone a rainbow bright and clear. It's Operation Rainbow Surprise. We clap and shout and cheer.
Then I lighted the ballroom, green at the beach. We were ready and excited to sing.
We couldn't wait to get on that stage.
But today we learned one thing.
It doesn't matter how clever you are, it's fit in your heart that's best. To bring joy and happiness to other folk, and well, you can the rest.
So dinna put off at anything that you can will make dreams come true. We can make a difference to anybody. That's including you.
We hope you like your story about us Monymusk parents and our day of making someone's dreams come true.